When you begin the design for your disaster relief housing, you can create a project in Revit Architecture using a default template, one of the files provided, or a template of your own. Once my Revit project file is created, I start by adding the required levels in the project. I do this while in an elevation view using the Level tool. Since we don't know the exact site this home will be built on, I assume a rectangular lot for now. I create a lot boundary using the Property Line tool. For your design, you should think about the space that you have in your community. You may have more or less space to work with, as well as a different climate. Next, I add walls, doors, and windows to the main floor. While designing the placement of walls, there are several things you should take into consideration. Think about what types of things the interior space will need to accommodate, as well as accessibility. Remember that if you draw the walls in 4-foot sections, the walls could be pre-manufactured and brought in from another location. This will determine what the interior space is going to be like. Notice that I can view the walls I have placed at any time in a 3D view. It is a good idea to do this frequently to check that the placement and height are being created as required. Next, I add foundation walls in the basement view. Notice that I can set the Level 1 view as an underlay for the basement plan so that I can use the walls as a reference to place the foundation walls in the correct location. When you create your model, think about how you can move things around. You don't have to use a basic box. Create an imaginative design.